Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Unlock Daily, the place where we unlock your English potential every single day. My name is Tom.
Hello, Tom, and hello, everyone. I'm Lily. It's so nice to be here with you today.
It's great to have you here, Lily. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I feel happy and relaxed. How about you, Tom?
I am okay, and I am awake, so that is already good news.
Awake is a very good start.
Yes, I had one big cup of coffee, so now I am ready to talk.
Coffee always helps. I had a good morning too, so I'm feeling great.
A good morning is very important, and that is perfect because today we have a very nice topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about something everyone has.
Our daily life.
Our daily routines.
Exactly, the things we do every day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Some people think routines are boring.
Maybe a little.
But I think routines are interesting because everyone is different.
I agree, and routines are perfect for English practice. We use easy words and simple sentences.
That's right. So before we start, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like this podcast, please give it a like.
A big thumbs up helps us a lot.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to English Unlock Daily.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you.
Okay, Tom, let's start our day.
All right, the morning. This is not my favorite time.
I know, you don't like mornings.
Not at all. I am not a morning person.
Really? I love the morning. I am a big morning person.
For me, the morning is hard, especially the alarm clock.
Ah, yes, the alarm clock.
Beep, beep, beep. I really don't like that sound.
My alarm is soft music. It's very gentle.
That sounds nice. My alarm is very loud.
So what do you do when the alarm rings?
I open one eye, then I close it again.
Do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes, 5 more minutes.
Is it really 5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes, then 5 more, and 5 more again.
Oh, Tom.
Finally, I get up when I am almost late.
That sounds stressful.
It is. What about you, Lily?
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow, that is very early.
I love the quiet. No noise, no cars, no people. Just me and my coffee.
Coffee again. Coffee is very important.
Yes, the first thing I do is make coffee.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with a little milk, warm and smooth.
I like mine strong and black, no sugar.
After coffee, I sit near the window.
Do you look at your phone?
No, I don't use my phone in the morning.
Really?
Yes, I just think and enjoy the quiet.
That sounds very calm. I usually look at my phone right away.
News and messages?
Yes, and sometimes funny videos.
What about breakfast, Tom?
Breakfast is very fast for me.
Why?
Because I am late.
Of course.
I eat toast or a banana. That's it.
Very simple.
What about you?
I like a good breakfast, yogurt with fruit or eggs.
Eggs again? You really have time in the morning.
I wake up early.
After breakfast, I take a shower.
Me too. I like a hot shower.
A hot shower helps me wake up.
And then comes the hard part.
Choosing clothes.
Yes, I look at my closet and think, I have nothing to wear.
Even when you have many clothes.
Exactly.
My system is very easy.
What is it?
I only buy simple clothes, mostly blue and gray.
That is very smart.
No thinking in the morning.
So, how do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is it busy?
Very busy. Many people, very crowded.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither. I listen to music or podcasts.
Good podcasts?
Yes, sometimes I listen to English Unlock daily.
Good choice.
How about you?
I drive my car.
That sounds nice.
It is, but the traffic is terrible.
Stop and go.
Exactly. Very slow.
So now we are at work.
Yes. What is your workday like?
Busy, very busy. First thing, more coffee.
Of course.
Then emails. So many emails.
I know that feeling.
I write emails, read emails, and then meetings.
Meetings about meetings.
Yes, talking, talking, talking.
My job is similar. I talk to people and help them.
Lunch is my favorite time.
Me too. Food makes everything better.
Do you bring lunch or buy lunch?
I usually bring lunch from home.
Very organized.
I make a salad or a sandwich.
I usually buy lunch.
Where?
A small cafe near my office.
Is it good?
Very good, and I like walking there.
In the afternoon, I feel sleepy.
Yes, around 3 p.m.
Exactly.
I drink more coffee.
I drink tea, green tea.
I eat a cookie.
I eat an apple.
At 5 p.m., work is finished.
Best time of the day.
I go home on the bus.
I drive home slowly.
Traffic again?
Always.
What is the first thing you do at home?
I say hello to my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, her name is Daisy.
That's cute. What about you?
I say hello to my cat.
Is your cat happy to see you?
It's a cat.
I understand. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
I don't. I am a bad cook.
Really?
Yes, I burn food.
Oh no.
So I cook simple things or order food.
Pizza?
Of course.
After dinner, I read or watch TV.
I watch funny shows.
What time do you go to bed?
Late, around midnight.
That explains the morning problem.
Yes. What about you?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Very early.
I read for 10 minutes and fall asleep.
Wow, we talked about our whole day.
From morning to night.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share English Unlock Daily.
And we have a question for you.
Are you a morning person like me?
Or a night person like me.
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to read them.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Bye for now.